Hello there, my name's Mike and I'm the Education Coordinator and Science Person here at WGVU. And today in our few moments in science, we're going to work with weather and clouds. And we can relate to the clouds and the weather because obviously we live in Michigan. So with that in mind, we're going to, on our clouds, even though you can't see them, even when it's raining, water molecules are in the air all around you. And these invisible airborne little water molecules are called water vapor. And you can't see them because it's a vapor. When water vapor is bouncing around in the atmosphere, it has a lot of motion energy and it doesn't normally stick together. But when they collect around dust particles that are floating in the air, little invisible particles in the air in the form of pollution, smoke, dust, or even tiny particles of dirt, it becomes kind of like a nucleus on which the water molecules will attach themselves and go from being invisible to visible as a cloud. So I'm going to create a cloud in a bottle. And what I'm going to use is just a simple bottle and a bike pump and some rubbing alcohol. And I'm just going to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol inside the bottle and swish it around just to get some vapor in there a little bit. And rubbing alcohol evaporates quicker than water, warm water, so I'm just going to use that and kind of get it together. And on the end of this bike pump, I've got a little rubber stopper. And I'm going to put that in there. And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump air into the bottle. And as I am pumping air into the bottle, it forces the water vapor to squeeze together or to compress. And when I release the pressure quickly, it allows the air in the bottle to expand quickly. And in doing so, the temperature of the air in the bottle becomes slightly cooler. This cooling allows the water vapor to stick together or condense more easily. And it will form tiny little droplets. And clouds are nothing more than gazillions of groups of tiny water droplets. So let's see what that looks like a minute. All right? So I'm pumping the air inside the bottle, and I'm cooling those water vapors, compressing, getting them to compress together. When I release this, I've got the air inside that bottle. When I release that, it cooled quickly, and it allows that cloud to form. So now if I do it again, and this is kind of like a low air pressure day when we have a lot of clouds. On a high air pressure day, when we don't have as many clouds, you'll notice I'm going to pump more air back into the bottle again. And as I pump that air into the bottle, it's going to create a high air pressure. It's going to take away. So now when I pump, again, I'm getting all those molecules in there. And when I release this, I've got a cloud in a bottle. Clouds on Earth form when warm air rises and its pressure is reduced. The air expands and cools and clouds form as the temperature drops below the dew point, how much moisture there is in the air. All right? So that is our moment in science for today. Cloud in the bottle. Thank you.